How to delete beta software on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to check if you have beta software installed on your iPhone, you'll need to go to your settings and then tap on general, then go to software update. So here, if you have any beta software, it will appear here right below the automatic updates. So I do not have any beta software installed, so it's not available here. But if you see the beta software there and if you want to remove it, you just have to tap on it and you'll find the remove option. Now, if you don't find it here, sometimes beta software might also be downloaded in your VPN and device management on the bottom. So tap on it, and if you find beta software here, you'll have to delete from here too by tapping on it, and you'll see the remove option. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.